Welcome. This orientation, or let me say, this video is all about orientation on how to use our course builder, which is Ditacon course builder platform. And firstly, I need to assure you that it is not difficult to achieve at all. And this is the dashboard for students. This one you are seeing now is a dashboard for students. Then let me believe that you have already signed up. So after the sign up, this is where you will land. This is where you are expected to find yourself. Then mostly, if you are using computer, this is how the interface look like. But if you are an instructor, then you will discover that you have other segments. This is called instructor, so you will find this one. But if you are still a student, you won't see this button here, create a new course. It won't be here. All you will see here is become an instructor. So, and it is not everybody that can become an instructor. So if you are interested in becoming an instructor, you just hit on this button, become an instructor. Then you wait for it to be approved within 48 hours. So after the approval, you will get an email message congratulating you that your application to become an instructor from Ditacon has become successful. Then once you log in, you will find your dashboard like this. It won't be if you are just a student, you will only see this place upward. That is only what you will see. So then you are expected to complete your profile. You click on set your profile picture, set your bio, set withdrawal method, because if you want to be an instructor, so if you don't set your details, you will not be able to withdraw your money. You have to set everything perfectly. If there is anything you do not understand, so you let us know later. Then the message is message notification. You also receive message here. Congratulations, Solomon, your application to be an instructor has been approved. So that is all about that. Now you are going to create your first course, or maybe I should first let you know some important things here in the environment. Like your profile, this is the student profile, enrolled courses, that is the course your student has enrolled. Then wish list, these are the courses that your student, the prospective student, has shown interest in but they are yet to purchase it. The review, the number of review you are getting on your course or on your profile. Then the quiz, your quiz attempt. This quiz is about CBT. We have different forms of CBT. I will let you know all those things when we get there. Then the other history, the other history, that those things the student have ordered, and the student have ordered, you will see it here. Then questions the student have asked, an answer he has gotten, he will receive it here. The calendar will show him about how the arrangement or the expected courses or training. But for the instructor will see all these things below. So the student cannot see all this. The student account alone cannot see all this until you become an instructor. So my courses, these are the courses you have created. Bundle courses is those courses that maybe you have some different courses created, but later you now bundle them together to sell them in just one package. The announcement you have made to your students, because when you create a course, you want to make an announcement, then all your students, those who have subscribed to your course or courses, will receive the announcement, not all the users on the platform. Then the withdrawals, This one is about your money, so you can see now the total student, total courses, total earn. So those money you have earned in the process, you will see everything here. So, and if you want to withdraw, you click here, or if you want to set up your withdraw account, you click here also. Click here also, and you set up others here in the setting. Then the quiz attempt, all the quiz, maybe you have some CBT program on the platform. So those students you have attempted it, or how many of it has been attempted, you will see it here. Google Meet and Zoom enable you to have live classroom with your students. You'll be able to have live classroom with your student. Then the quiz here allow you, because some people have they have schools, or maybe they have tutorial center, and they want to use CBT to evaluate their students. So you can use this platform to create a CBT questions, so as many as you like, then for your students to log in and answer their questions. Then Google Meet and Zoom gives you opportunity to have live classroom with your students. Whether you want to do webinar, you want to do whatsoever, you can teach them online. Then the assignment, if you want to give an assignment to a student, or any student want to submit assignment to you, you find it here. Then certificate, you create a course. Maybe you are creating a course in programming language, or like HTML, like MongoDB, like PHP, like HTML, like CSS. So, and you want to create a certificate of excellence, or completion, or whatsoever, this is what you click. Then you seek certificate, you build the certificate, and you release it. The analytics is all about the performances on your website. Then settings will help you to set your profile, set a lot of things, and including the account and a lot more. So that is all about that. Now we want to take time to create our first course. I know that is what you will like to know. Click on create a new course. Let's wait for it to redirect us to a course builder. Yes, we have one of the best course builders on board, as you can see, and some of these tips here can even help you to skate through. You set the course price option, or make it free. Standard size for the course thumbnail is, that is the course thumbnail, this one 700 and by 430 pixel. If you use anything less or lower, it will come up, but it may not display rightly. So then the video, your course can be free, and it can also be with money. At the same time, it can also be a membership course. That is, people will be, so maybe you are expecting people to be subscribing to your course monthly, which is one of the best way to generate income every month. And after a month, maybe it's expired, and you are expecting the person to subscribe again. So the video section controls the course overview videos. Then course builder is where you create and organize your courses. Add topic in the course builder section to create lessons, quiz, and assignments. Yes, then the prerequisites refer to the fundamental courses to complete before taking these particular courses. Some people, once they have free access to a course, they want to jump over it and click a completion, course complete. What you want them to learn, they won't learn it. So instead of that, you maybe there are courses you expected someone to, for example, someone who wants to go for WAEC. Then WAEC will ask him, maybe has ever passed through SS1, SS2. So if there are courses for SS2, you enter it here as a prerequisite. And if the person now click on the WAEC course, it will refer him back to go back and take SS1, SS2 courses. So information from the additional data section shows up to on the course single page. I will show you all those things. Now let's start something reasonable here. This is your course title, the general title of your course. Then I will let you know that you can develop your course in modules. There may be modules. What are the modules? What are the course title and lessons? So the modules is in a situation you have a course in web development. So web development, so there may be an introduction to web development. The introduction to web development may have not less than 5 or 10 lessons. Then later you move to HTML. HTML now it will now be another modules. So the introduction modules, the HTML modules, the CSS modules, the JavaScript modules, the PHP modules. Then each modules can have up to 20, up to 30, up to 50 lessons. I think you understand it now. But if it is just a CBT, you just enter. Take for example, you say JAMB 2023. So that is all about it. Then the sludge, you see. So without this one, your course will not load on the internet. So it will not load on the internet, but you see as you are typing it, you make sure that you either enter it here yourself, or after you hit on save, it will generate the sludge automatically. Now we want to the basic okay, let's HTML website, or let me use WordPress development. WordPress development course. Yes, so you either enter it yourself, you can enter it yourself, or you leave it and the thing will generate it there. So you can only copy this one, copy it, then paste. Everything here must be in small letter, div. Then you put that in there, hyphen, then course, hyphen course. That is how you do it. I think you don't click submit yet. Make sure that you finish everything. Now about the course, just write every details about the course, everything about web development with WordPress. I just put this one here. You see, this is a rich editor. You can bold, you can italic, you can number, you can bullet, you can quote, you can centralize in the element. Then there are other things here. You can underline, you can do anything here. It's a rich text editor. That is all about that. Now you move to this course setting. You are setting your course, the maximum student you are expecting, because sometimes maybe people are that you want to give a lecture on a particular subject or topic, and students were rushing. So, and you don't want much people, maybe you need just 10 or 50, or those people who subscribe for your course, and so that you can guide against another people slinking in. So you can put the total number here, and immediately the number is reached, then the acceptance subscription to the course will close. So, but instead, if you want thousands of people to subscribe, just leave it as it is. You understand it now? Then difficulty level. We have difficulty level as all level, beginners, intermediates, and experts. So maybe the course is for an expert, or for intermediate, or for beginner, or for all level. So sometimes you use all level. So enrollment expiration, if you want the enrollment to your course to get expire, and mostly that want to sell a course, it is better you set an enrollment. Take for example, if you want to market your course that you want people to subscribe to each, then maybe you want to do a marketing strategy. You say your course will close, the enrollment will close in 2 weeks time, and you are given room to so people to pay maybe 10,000 within that time. Then after that time, it will go back to the normal price, maybe 20,000 or 30,000 naira. So you can put enrollment expiration. So it will be alarming the prospects. So by the time the date reach, then it will get expire. But later people may now be coming to beg you then for increment, and so then they will be rushing, because if people don't have some management or so-called limitation, so they may not do the needful. Now, if you want your course to be public, you hit on this one. That is, whenever your course is published, that shows that it is a free course. Nobody pay for it. So, and do you want the student to ask you question? If you want them to ask question, so by default, you click on that one. So that is all about the general here. Be content dripping now. If you want to be dripping a course, then you mark this place. This very small dot, master it very well. Mark it. Now the dripping is that maybe you want to be releasing your course one after the other. Everything about the course is not yet ready or ready, but that is the system you want to use. So that is about dripping. So you schedule the course. These are the options available. Schedule the course content by date. Maybe every course is already ready, but you want it to be coming maybe one course a day, or one course a week, or one course a month, or 2 courses a day, or 2 courses. So you click this one. Or content available after X date, maybe after 3 days, or after 4 days, or after 5 days, or after 10 days. Course content available sequentially is whenever you mostly want in a situation that all the courses are not ready, maybe you are preparing it along way, then you just click this one sequentially. Whenever you release a new course, all the subscribers will get a notification through email that a new course has been published, and the link for them to access it will be shared with them. Then finally, course content unlocked after finishing the prerequisite. That is, when the necessary courses are not being taken, so others will not drop, but immediately they finish it, then the remaining will follow. That is all about that place. And now you select, once you create your course, maybe the course is web development, WordPress web development. Then you click here to select your category. If your course is not belong to a category, so to gain the visibility may be very difficult. So you can search for it, WordPress. You see WordPress now, then you click on it. If you want to see web development, so that you can make it visible more and more, web design, then web development, yes. So whosoever is searching for web development, web design on the platform or even on the internet can be easily found. Now this is where you have an option to select either your course is for free or for paid. So the free or paid, if it is paid, it will give you an option to enter the price. So this is the regular price and this is the discounted price. This is just a marketing strategy. In a situation you want to sell a course at the rate of 10,000 naira, you may say the regular price is 15,000, then but discounted price is 10,000. So by the time you get to the course, you will see that it will write this and this, but it will strike through this one to show that this price is cancelled for now, that you are doing a discount or a promo. You understand that one now. Now you go for the custom blade, that is the picture. In this regard, you don't need to trouble yourself as long as you have a computer. Just go to the internet, search for an image that represents your course. An image, like this one, you can just right click on it. You can just right click on it and click on save image as. Then it will download to your computer. After it download to your computer, you right click on it again, you select edit image. So it will take you to, let's go and check an image. Check an image. Okay, I don't want us to trouble ourselves much on that. So just right click on it, then after right clicking on it, so you click and edit, and when you get to the edit page, so you will click on resized page. Maybe we should go for it and see resized image. For example, if this one is what we want to use, so let's wait for it till it come up. So this image now, you resize it, then click on pixel, then can you see the size now? Then make sure you uncheck this one and write 700 and 430. Then hit OK. Can you see now? Then click on save. Final. Then after you have done that, just go back to this place. Hit this place, then you upload it. Click on it, go to your computer, you see the media library here, then or you upload to your computer, then it will come up here. Do you understand now? Now that is one thing. And if your course is this is where you host your course, you can host your this is an options for you to host your course. You have HTML, that is MP4. So if your course is hosted on this with this, you click on it. Or if it is on an external URL, you click on it, you go to that URL, you copy the URL of the video and you paste it here, or YouTube, or Vimeo, or embedded, or short code. So you enter it here. After you have done that, then you now go for course builder. You just want to create a course now. All those things you are just doing is to build the course page for the course. You now want to add a topic. What is the topic? Introduction to web development with WordPress. That is, you are still an introduction. Then assuming you just write the summary about the introduction here, then you click add topic. Now that you have added a topic, you are expected to do some things here. So you can see some options. You see the lesson, you see quiz, you see assignment. So you will still see Zoom. You see Zoom, you see Google here. You will still see all those things. Or let me check. Okay, you will still see them here. I know the something. So if there are anything here for the course builder, you will see everything here. If you want to create a Google meeting, that is webinar through Google Meeting or through Zoom, you will see it here also, and you click on it, then everything will be going. You input the date, the time, and everything. Then you publish it. All your students will receive it, and they will sign up for it. Now, if you want to create a lesson under this introduction, you click here. If what you want to do under this one is just to create a CBT, you create here. If it is just to give them an assignment, you click here. I think you understand this now. So let us check the lesson now. So the name of the lesson for now is Intro to Web Dev with WordPress. Then here you see there is a rich editor here, so you write every details. It is advised that you write details about the course here, put it here. And so if you have it somewhere, just copy it and paste it here, and make sure you arrange it and make it look a little bit attractive. Then the future image of the course, just do it the same way I did the first one that I just downloaded, and then you edit it and follow this preset format also. Then you upload it. Now, where is the place? The first video of a thing that we did is an intro video that introduce your course. It's not the main course. If you have any introduction about the course, or you have any marketing clips about the course, you input it there in the first place. This is the exact place you enter the link of your video course. You can drag and drop it here. Then or if there is anywhere your course is, if you want to host it directly, but we are not supporting that here. So because it will consume more server, so it is not practice anywhere. You only share your link. You are only permitted to share your link. So through any of these. So if you want to learn how to host your course either on the YouTube, on the Vimeo and shortcode and everything, maybe I will still come up with another video to show you all those things. But it is not that difficult. But if you need it, you can demand it from me. Now, after you have hosted your course on the YouTube or Vimeo, go and check on it. You see the playback time. So if it is 1 hour, you click 1 hour 30 seconds. That be 30 minutes. You just click it like this. Because the student want to know the length of the course, 30 minutes and 5 seconds. You understand now? Now, for those people who want to attach worksheet, the document that supported the training, if you want to attach it in any format, this is where you click to attach it. It may be in PDF, it may be in any format. And in a situation that you do not have a video course, but you just want to show the PDF or document format or whatsoever, or audio, just click this place, upload your course. But make sure you give the title, the image, and the summary or the details of the course there. I think you understand now. If you want the students to be able to preview your course before they go access it, even without purchasing it, then you hit on this place. Then you click on update lesson. We have created the course now. The course has been updated. Now, if you want to if you want to create a CBT, maybe I should come up with a video with that. Let's end this one now. So all along, if you want to, if this topic have 20 lessons, just be clicking on lesson. Don't click on add new course. Click on lesson 1. It will be adding lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 up to 20, up to 100. So if it have any CBT, click on the CBT here. Click on the CBT here. So, but if you want to have another module or another topic, you click on hard topic. It will be under this one. I think you understand what I am saying now. So that is just that. And if you want to add an instructor, additional instructor to your course, click add instructor here, and that instructor must have applied on the platform and his application to become an instructor is approved. So once you click here, then you are able to search the name of the instructor, then you add it. So in a situation you are operating a school and or maybe you are operating a tutorial center and you need some instructor to get involved in the training, or either on the webinar or whatsoever. This is where you add it to the course. Then the course attachment too, if there are other attachments just like the one I just described to you, you can upload it here. So this attachment here will be visible on the course page, not on the lesson page. The one I showed you the other time will be visible on the lesson page. Do you understand it now? So some additional data. This is where you enter what will the student learn from your course. They will learn how to design a website. They will learn how to come up with a beautiful professional website. They will learn how to develop a plugin. They will learn how to upload or to deal with FTP uploading. They will learn about control panel. You list one on a single line. Don't write two on a single line. One, you'll be writing it just like that, just like that, then like this. That is just that. Who are the targeted audience? The targeted audience, you can write those who don't have pre-knowledge about your course, or those who have knowledge about your course. If your course are for the intermediate, those people are looking to have a new job and so on and so forth. A student, we write it just that way. Then after you have completed all the course, all the lessons and topics is ready, so you now go to where you hosted your course. Then you add the time, the playback time. Everything might not be 7 hours or 10 hours, 10 hours or 12 hours, 20 or 16 minutes. Then you put it that way, so that the person that want to purchase the course will know that the course will take him about 12 hours 16 minutes, and he'll be able to schedule his time on how to get it accessed. Then material included. This is where you let them know that PDF is included. Then video course is included, audio is included, and lot more. Those are the material included. A worksheet is included. Those are the material. Then the prerequisite, the requirement instruction. What are the instructions? Like someone who wants to learn to WordPress, the web development, the person will need an internet. We need a good computer. We need internet connectivities and lot more. This is where you put all those things so that the person can see it. And if it is a course on how to produce a buns or a recipes, then the person will need a pot, we need a stove, we need all those things. You enter it. Then the course tag. The course tag about web development now can be let me see, anything available. Web creation without coding. Web creation without coding, and WordPress websites, and so So that is just an additional way to arrange your course. Then here the course prerequisites. What are the other courses you want people to learn before they can access your course? You put it here. Maybe automotive, photo, so that is just that. Now after that, if you want to give your student a certificate of excellence or certificate of completion, so you can select any of the available certificate here. Then you design it for your students. It can be on the landscape or portrait certificate. Then you design it to your taste and you release it to your students. So that is just that. After done that, then your course, you can preview your course, or you can save it as a draft and come back to it later to complete the building, or you can publish your course. After publishing your course will redirect you to the instructor dashboard, and you'll be waiting for approval from the admin. You see, thank you, course has been published for review, because your course needs to be published for a review. So and the review will get approved within short time. So let it redirect us now to the dashboard before we end this section. So I will come back later to show you how to create a CBT with the something. So it's not taking us to the dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard ourselves so that we can see that. Yes, now you see the course we have just created. Let me see if we can see it here. We cannot see it here for now until it gets approved, or you see it as a draft after you have clicked on my courses. You see it now as a pending. It will stand as a pending course. Let's see it. If it is as a draft, you will see. If it has been published, you will see it under published. Can you see now? So WordPress development, and this is exactly what I told you then. So the total hour for the course is 12 hours 16 minutes. Then the discounted price, maybe the promo price, is 10,000. Then the regular price is 15,000. If you want to edit it again, click on here. Or if you want to duplicate it just for a little editing and change it to another course, then click duplication. If you want to cancel the submission, you have already submitted it for review, you can click here. So thank you. Switch to the next video.